Looking for a broker that's best for beginners? We'll help you find your perfect match, making the process simple and stress-free. In this video, we'll break down the top 3 brokers for beginners in the United Kingdom, based on our experts' hands-on testing of over 100 providers, each checked against more than 600 data points. By assisting close to 1 million people over the past half year, we've pinpointed the key priorities for beginner investors: low fees, simple apps, and helpful learning tools. Let's jump into our top 3 list, highlighting 3 key advantages for each broker. Kicking off our countdown at number 3 is Webull. Webull stands out with free stock and ETF trading, making investing simple and affordable. Users love the high interest on uninvested cash, adding extra value. The fast and easy account opening attracts those seeking a quick start, perfect for new traders aiming to maximize benefits. Our runner-up at number 2 is Trading 212. Trading 212 offers a sleek, commission-free way to invest in real stocks and ETFs with some fees applicable. Account setup is a breeze, perfect for new traders. Their platform stands out for user-friendliness, making trading accessible and engaging. And now for our number 1 pick. The best broker for beginners in the United Kingdom is eToro. eToro offers low fees on stocks and ETFs, making it easy on the wallet. The account opening process is seamless, perfect for new users. Their social trading feature helps users connect and learn from each other. It's a friendly and modern choice for investors. Every investor is different, and the best choice always depends on you. To compare these brokers side by side and see our full detailed analysis, check out the complete guide on BrokerChooser.com. The link is right in the description below. If you found this guide helpful, subscribe and turn on notifications for more practical insights to help you on your investing journey. Thanks for watching.